Have you noticed what's happening lately? First, Kimi K3 surprised everyone. Now Alibaba is back with another massive AI release, Qwen 3.8 Max Preview. This isn't just another chatbot, it is Alibaba's newest flagship model, built to compete with the most powerful AI models available today. And here is the best part. You can try it completely free without even creating an account. In this video, I'll show you how to access it, what makes it different, and then we will test it by asking it to build a beautiful SaaS landing page from a single prompt. Let's get started. This model has 2.4 trillion parameters and it is for software development, reasoning, document analysis, image understanding, and much more. And it has 1 million context window. Now let's actually use it, this multi-model Alibaba Qwen 3.8 Max for free. So simply move to the browser and search for Qwen chat. So after searching that, you will see chat.qwen.ai. Open this website. So after opening this website, you can use it without creating an account. Okay, without creating account, you can use it for free. So here you can just attach the documents and create image, developing whatever you want. So you can select that. But at the top left corner, you can see here we can select Qwen 3.8 Max Preview. So let's select this model. After selecting it, now let's build a SaaS landing page. So I have pasted my prompt like this. Create a modern SaaS landing page with a premium design, responsive layout, pricing section, testimonials, and call to action. So whatever you want, just specify that. And now here you can select, yeah, that is in thinking mode. Let's press this so it will do our task and complete building this application, this landing page for us. So it is generating our landing page. So don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to bring more videos like this whenever a new AI come to the ground. So I will share the free methods with you, even if that is API or that is through chat. So right now we don't have any free API for Qwen 3.8 Max. So in the future we might have free API, then I will share that with you also. So right now we have this chat to use Qwen 3.8 Max Preview for free and test it and see the capabilities of this popular and powerful AI model. So our response is ready. You can see the complete code, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now what we can do, we will copy this code and paste it inside an HTML file. So let's copy this whole code. Look at, we have this copy button. So let's copy this and come here to VS Code editor. This is index.html file that I have created. Let's paste that code here. After pasting this code, now let's save this. So now let's run this. Okay, save it and let's run this. Reveal in File Explorer and double click this to run this inside the browser. As you can see how beautiful landing page it is. You can see this, look at the charts, even that is updating, and all sections that we mentioned are included inside this landing page. It is something, as we can see, that we can compare this landing page with the top models like Claude Pebble and other Kimi K3 and other top models. You see the response, how it is. So can Qwen 3.8 Max compete with the today's flagship AI models? From this quick test, I'd say it definitely has potential. Its code quality looks solid, the design is modern, and the overall output is very usable as a starting point for real projects. Of course, no single benchmark can declare a winner, and different models excel at different tasks. The real test comes from using them in your own workflow. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think Qwen 3.8 Max is a serious competitor to models like GPT-5, Claude, Kimi K3, and Gemini? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If this video helped you discover another powerful free AI tool, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.